Hello girls, I'm Ruchita from Pomo Fashion on my own. Now since the time I've seen this ad of Alia Bhatt with this fancy product, I knew I had to get my hands on it and here it is. It's called the Philips Air Straightener and some of you also requested a review on it. So watch this episode to know my thoughts on the product. Now coming to the product, it has two parts, the hair dryer and the paddle brush, which you can assemble like this and deassemble with the push of this button, like this. It's a good looking hair styler with a black body and some gold detailing. Like any other hair styler, it has two speed settings, high and low. Now, the paddle brush has long bristles with round ends and also holes at the roots from where hot cold air blows up. Coming to my experience, I would like to give kudos to Philips for trying to innovate. But honestly, if this was a good product, that would have been another feather in their hat, but it's not. I've been using this product for the last 2 weeks and unfortunately I'm so disappointed because it's nothing close to what the ad suggested and showed. And moreover, my problem is that why call it a straightener in the first place when it's a dryer? It did make my hair less wavy, but that effect didn't even last for more than an hour. I didn't use any hairspray on my hair, so I don't know if it would last longer otherwise. It's only usable on damp hair, otherwise it makes your hair look really frizzy. The Kerashine coating didn't seem to work for me. If you have thin hair, then it doesn't even leave you with semi-straight hair. It's priced at $2295. I'm not sure if it's available cheaper online. So in short, if you're someone who requires help using, holding a hair dryer and a hairbrush together, then invest in this gadget. Otherwise, don't waste your money on it. Also, if you're looking for a hair straightener, then look elsewhere because this does not give flat iron results. So that's it from my end, guys. I hope you found this review helpful. If you want me to review any other product, do let me know in the comments below. And for more of me, subscribe to Pomo Fashion on my own.